Are you tired of endless scrolling on your phone without earning a single dime? Look no further, because Write App Reviews is the perfect platform for you. It's an opportunity to earn up to $50 by just downloading and testing apps on your smartphone or tablet. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But it's not. Write App Reviews is taking on new members from all over the world. Let's explore more. Write App Reviews is currently recruiting new paid app testers to work on their platform. These are remote positions, meaning that you can work from the comfort of your home as long as you work the required hours. The businesses that use Write App Reviews are all trying to expand the reach of their apps across all platforms and devices. And that's where you come in. You will be required to download apps to your smartphone or tablet and test out all features of the app. After that, you'll need to write a short review of your experience and list any faults that you found. Don't worry, it's a simple process. You need to have access to at least one of the following: iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone, or an Android tablet. It's a flexible work arrangement, and you'll earn between $25 and $35 per hour, depending on the complexity of the app and the detail required for the review. So it's not just easy money, but also high-paying work. To get started, you don't need a specific background or set of skills. However, you must know how to install and use apps and work independently. Also, you must have 5+ hours availability per week and a reliable internet connection. But if you can meet all these requirements, then this is an excellent opportunity for you to earn some extra cash. Remote work online is gaining momentum globally, and Write App Reviews is an excellent opportunity to work remotely and earn at the same time. Write App Reviews monetizes your website traffic, and the more apps you test and write about, the more money you make. Join now and start testing the coolest new apps and earn some extra cash. Don't miss this chance. Click on the link in the description of this video and apply.